Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes and our today's topic is hello students. In my previous video I was discussing about Heron's formula, the method of finding an area of triangle, and I have discussed few questions from exercise 12.1. I think I have discussed question number 1 and 2. Now today I am proceeding from there and taking few more questions from the exercise to explain the Heron's formula used in calculating the area of the triangle. So let's see the question number 3rd. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are given, that is 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, then find the area painted in colors. You need to find the area painted in color. Suppose this is the construction of the wall which is given. Now the sides are given. This is suppose 6 meter, this is 11 meter and this is your 15 meter. Suppose this is the triangular wall. Now we have to calculate the area of this part using the Heron's formula. So children, in this triangular wall you can see that you have the all three sides of the triangle. So first of all you need to calculate it. This is your question number 3. First of all you need to calculate its semi-perimeter. So S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. You know the formula for the semi-perimeter. Now putting the values on this formula, we have 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2, which will be equal to 15 plus 11 will be 26 and 26 plus 6 will be 32. 32 by 2, that is 16 meter is your semi-perimeter for this triangular region. Now apply Heron's formula to calculate its area. So area of triangular field or triangular wall will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Now put the value. S is 16. So 16 minus 15 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 6 under root. Now simplify this. So you have 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Now as you know that 16 can be written as 4 into 4 and this, so factorize it. 16 can be written 4 into 4. 1 is 1 itself. You write it or not, it has no meaning. 5 into 10 can be written as 5 into 2. So in this factorization you see that 4 is in pair, 1 is in pair, 5 is in pair, only digit 2 is not in pair. So 2 will be left inside the square root and other you can take one digit for each pair outside the square root. So you will have 4 into 1 into 5 under root 2, that is 20 root 2 meter square will be the area of this region. If you want to put the value of root 2, as you know 1.4 then just you put the value of root 2 and multiply it with 20, you will get approx answer. So in this way your this question has been completed. This is very easy part of your syllabus of your portion to calculate the area using Heron's formula. So all of you have to need to do its practice. Just you what we have done, the mechanism or working rule of solving this type of question is just we calculate the semi-perimeter. After calculating the semi-perimeter, we apply the area of triangle by Heron's formula, and putting these all values, we got the area. So this is, now let's see another question. So see question number 4. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are this, and the perimeter is given. In this question, what you have, see question number 4. In this question, you have the perimeter of triangle. What you have, perimeter is 42 centimeter. Okay, and the two sides are given. First side, suppose we first side equals to 18 centimeter, and second side is equals to 10 centimeter. Now we need to calculate the area. So children, as you know that in calculating the area by Heron's formula, we required all three sides of the triangle. But here the only two sides are given and perimeter is given. So now we have to apply the formula of perimeter of triangle, and we will first calculate the third side of the triangle. So first you write, let x be the third side of triangle. As you know that the perimeter equals to 42 centimeter and perimeter is sum of all three sides, so x plus 18 plus 10 will be equal to 42. So x plus 28 will be equal to 42. So x equals to, you have 42 minus 28, that is 14 centimeter. It means we got the third side also. So now we have all three sides of the triangle. First side is 18 centimeter, second side is 10 centimeter, and we got the third side is 14 centimeter. So now it is easier for us to calculate its area by using Heron's formula. So let's see, now we have to calculate its semi-perimeter. So its semi-perimeter will be perimeter by 2. As we have the perimeter, that is 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. So this is your semi-perimeter. Now let's see here, now apply the Heron's formula. So area of triangle equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here ABC represents first, second, third side of the triangle, or you may take any one, third, second, first, or second, first, third sides of the triangle. Simply you know that ABC are the sides of triangle. So putting these all values, S is here 21 into 21 minus first side is 18, second side is 21 minus 10, and third side is 21 minus 14. Now this is under root. So now we have 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. under root. Now try to make the pair. So now you can have 21, can you write 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. Now you can see that your 7 is in pair, 3 is in pair, only digit 11 which is not in pair. So again it will be under root. So you will have 7 into 3 under root 11. So it will be 21 under root 11 centimeter square will be the area of the triangle whose perimeter was 42 centimeter and two sides are given as well. So in this way, children, you can solve this type of sum. When a perimeter of the triangle is given and two sides of the triangle is given, then first you need to calculate the third side by applying the formula for the perimeter of triangle. As you know that perimeter of triangle is the sum of all three sides of the triangle. So applying on that formula, we got the third side first, and after getting the all three sides, we calculate S, which is semi-perimeter of the triangle, that is 42 by 2, which is 21 centimeter. And after getting the all three sides and the semi-perimeter of the triangle, we apply the formula for the Heron's formula, S under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and put it the value, all the values, and by simplifying it, we got the area of this triangular part. So in this way, our question being completed here. Now let's take one more question. Question number 5. The 5th question is saying that the sides of triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is given. Find its area. Let's see question number 5. What is given? First you write what is given. It is given that the perimeter equals to 540 centimeter and the sides are given in the ratio. So let the sides of triangle are multiple of x, 12x, 17x and 25x and 25x. This is the all three sides. Since the sides are given in the ratio, so wherever the value is given in the ratio form, you have to take the multiple of any variable. So we assume the multiple of x. So the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. So in this way, now we have to calculate its all three sides first of all. So again you apply the formula for the perimeter. Since perimeter equals to 540 and we know that the perimeter equals to sum of its all three sides. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x will be equal to 540. When you add together, then you will have 12 plus 17 will be 29. 29 plus 25, that is 54. So we have 54x equals to 540. So x equals to 540 by 54, which is 10. Now the first side, calculate your side first side will be equal to 12x, which is 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter. And second side will be, second side was 17x, so 17 into 10 will be 170 centimeter. And third side equals to 25x, so it will become 25x, that is 25 into 10 equals to 250 centimeter. In this way, children, now we got the all three sides of the triangle. Now we need to calculate its semi-perimeter. So as you know that semi-perimeter equals to perimeter by 2, perimeter by 2, and we have perimeter as 540, so it is divided by 2. Now you will have 270 centimeter as the semi-perimeter. Now everything is known. Now we have to just apply the Heron's formula in calculating the area. So area of triangle will be equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Now your S will be, S is 270, 270 into 270 minus A is 120, 120, 270 minus B is 170, and third 270 minus C is 250 under root. Now simplify this, you will got the answer. So it will be 270 into 150, when you subtract, into 100, this is your 100, and this is 20. In this way you have to write, but it is not okay. 270, just now you can simplify it yourself. So now we have to factorize this. Now we can write 270 can be factorized as 30 into 3 into 3. So you write here 30 into 3 into 3. You can write 30 into 5 for 150. And you can write 5 into 20 for 100. And this is 20. Now you see, now 30 is in pair, 3 is in pair, 5 is in pair, 20 is in pair. All digits we have under root are in pair. This is under root. So take out 30 into 3 into 5 into 20. So 30 into 3, 90, 100. 9,000 centimeter square is your required answer. So this way, children, it is not dark. So you can, I think you can understand it in better. So 99,000 centimeter square is your answer for this question. 12.1, question number 5. The method is same as we have solved in previous question. So there is nothing different. 9,000 centimeter square. Yes, it is correct. So in this way, children, what we have done here, first the perimeter was given, we written the perimeter, and the sides were given in the ratio. So we assumed it as a multiple of x. Now after assuming the sides as multiple of x, now applying the formula for perimeter to obtain the value of x. On applying the formula, we obtain the value for x is 10, and now putting the value of x in all these three sides, we obtain the sides of the triangle, that is 120, 170 and 250. And since the perimeter was known, so it is easier to calculate its semi-perimeter just dividing by 2. So 270 is the semi-perimeter. Now applying the area for Heron's formula, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. On putting this all formula, 270 into 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250. When you subtract it, 270 into 270 minus 120 will be 150, 270 minus 170 will be 100, and 270 minus 250 will become 20. Now we have to factorizing it. So 270 can be written as 30 into 3 into 3. When you multiplied it together, you will got 270. And this 150 I have break into 30 into 5. And this 100 I have break into 5 into 20. And this 20. Now we see that the all numbers lying within the square root are in pair. So take out 1 for each pair. 30, 3 is in pair, so 1 3 out. 5 is in pair, so 1 5 out. And 20 is in pair, so 20 out. So ultimately we got 9,000 square centimeter square is your answer. This is your square root. Here it is your square root. And in this way, we have completed this question as well as exercise also. Because this exercise contains 6 questions and I have already discussed 5 questions. So in this way, I am completing this question. You need to practice it. You need to solve it again and again to get to command on it. And in our next video, we will come with the new exercise. Okay, thank you.